we will make this pad features. This is the top pad, this we will make, and its dimensions is given here. And but if you see from the bottom edge, it is 50 here. Okay, so we need to draw a plane. So we need to draw the plane here. Okay, and then we will extrude up to the face. Okay, so how to draw a datum plane, or how to create a datum plane? So datum plane is option is here. So create a new datum plane, and datum plane, if you see the dimension of the datum plane is a 50. Okay, so for bottom of the edge it is 50, so I will select this. So I will again cancel it. I will select datum plane. Sorry. So selecting a I will first visible my plane. Sorry. So first visible the plane. Now we want to take a reference from this XY plane. Okay, now the Z direction I will give dimension 50. So if you see here, we have offset the plane from our base plane at 50 mm. Now we will close. So if you see here, datum plane is created. Now what I will do, I will go to the origin and hide my planes. So on this plane I will select and create a sketch. Now I prefer to draw the sketch on isometric view. So now let's see the dimensions. So dimension is given here. If you see here, here is the dimension is given. Okay, so outer is 40 and 5 mm wall thickness. So 40 by 30 rectangle. So I will select a rectangle here, and I will select this point and this point and mid plane, and I will say symmetric, and I will select this plane. I will select this point. Okay. Let me in the top view, this point and this point and this plane I say symmetric. I will press the 0. So so this dimension is 30 and this dimension is 40. Okay, now I move my dimension a little bit outside here. Better to include the wall thickness here. So I will select a rectangle and I will select this point and this point and mid plane. Okay, now I select this point and this point and mid plane I say symmetric. So I select this point and this point. So better I select top view if you have any selection problem. So I will say it 5 mm. Same with this and this, I will say 5 mm. Okay, so we have included wall thickness in that sketch, no problem. First I thought to make a solid extrusion, and then after that I will drill the hole, I will make the hole, and then I will remove that material. But choice is yours, you can go in the both the ways. Okay, so now we have to extrude this means create a pad up to this surface. So how to do it, let's see. So I will click on the pad. So if you click on the pad, you will not see anything on the screen. So he go here and select the option up to face. So up to face, now model will be visible to you. So up to face means which face? So we want our extrusion from this face. So if you see here, so it is smoothly made a pad up to this face. So we will say okay, and we will select our datum plane, press the tab button to hide it. If you want to support me, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon and share my video. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time. Welcome to part